Hey there, travel lovers! Ever been hit with surprise fees on your dream tours? Yeah, me too. And it's the worst. Planning that dream trip? Awesome. But hold your horses before hidden costs turn your wanderlust into wanderbust. Today, I'm spilling the tea on those sneaky hidden costs and showing you how to dodge them for good. First up, let's talk about those pesky service fees. Ever booked a tour that seemed super affordable, only to get hit with surprise fees for optional activities, entrance charges, or mysterious fuel surcharges? We've all been there, feeling like we just got mugged by the travel gods. They sound harmless, right? But let me tell you, they can add up like crazy. Booking online? Watch out for those convenience charges. They're anything but convenient. And don't get me started on mandatory tips. Like, I love tipping for great service, but mandatory? No thank you. And those optional activities that turn out to be not so optional? Yeah, those are budget breakers too. But hey, don't worry, I've got your back. Our service makes all those hidden costs disappear. No more surprise fees, just pure travel bliss. Transparent pricing all the way. Imagine this. You book a tour, and the price you see is the price you pay. No hidden costs, no nasty surprises, just smooth sailing from start to finish. So if you're tired of those sneaky fees ruining your travel vibes, click the link below. Learn more about our transparent pricing and start planning your next adventure fee-free. Till next time, happy travels. But wait, don't let hidden costs steal your travel joy. At Luxavistas, we believe in transparent pricing. That means no nasty surprises at checkout. Everything you need for an incredible adventure is included up front in our prices. Learn more about our transparent pricing. So ditch the drama of hidden fees and focus on the fun. Explore breathtaking destinations, indulge in delicious food, and create unforgettable memories, all without breaking the bank. Click now. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment.